Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Radiant Lectures for Class 7th.
Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. Radiant Secondary School Social Studies Class 7. Let's begin our lecture. Activity number 1, Continents and Ocean. Students, on your book there is a first activity, that is Continent and Oceans. We have divided first activity into the two parts. The first part is about the continents and the other part is about the oceans. First we are going to study about the continents. As you can see, the surface of Earth is made up of 3 parts of water and 1 part of land. As you can see on the picture, Earth is divided into the 2 parts. The one part is about the land and the second part is about the water. As you can see, 71% water covers the Earth and 29% of land covers the Earth's surface. The first topic is continents. Student, what is continents? We divided Earth into 7 large masses. Masses is also piece of land. So, large masses or large pieces of land are called continents. If we talk about the islands, thousands of small masses or pieces of land are called islands. One more thing about the island, that island is always surrounded by the water area. Let's discuss about the first continent, and that is Asia. Asia is the largest continent and it is divided into 48 countries and other political units. It means there are 48 countries in the continent of Asia. What about the political units? Political units are the areas that are the part of the continent, but these areas are not part of any country. Students, let's find out the location of Asia. As you can see, Asia stretches from the Europe and Africa from the west, and from the northern part it stretches from the cold Arctic Ocean, and from the east there is Pacific Ocean from the Asia. Our next continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in both area and population. Africa is divided into 53 independent countries and other political units. It means there are 53 independent countries are included in the continent of Africa and other political units. Political units are the part of continent but not are the part of any country. Much of northern Africa is covered by the world's largest desert, the Sahara. Africa also has the world's longest river, the river Nile. Students, let's find out the location of Africa. Africa is located between the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. The next continent is North America. North America includes the countries of Canada, the United States, and Mexico, as well the countries in Central America. The island of Greenland and the island of the Caribbean Sea are also located in the North America. Students, let's find out the location of North America. As we can see, North America stretches from the cold Arctic Ocean into the north, and from the south there is Caribbean. The next continent is South America. South America is almost completely surrounded by water. South America has 13 countries. The world's largest tropical rainforest covers about 1/3 of the continent. It means there are 13 countries in South America and most of its part covered by the tropical rainforest. Let's find out the location of South America. Caribbean Sea located in the northern side of the South America. In the eastern side of South America there is Atlantic Ocean, and into the west there is Pacific Ocean. Student, We have done the first part of our lecture. You have learned about the continents, islands, and different continents like Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. Now it's time to learn all this lecture from your heart. Good luck.